Hey guys, today we are going to be bypassing this annoying error which comes again and again when we have not paid in the Airtel Xstream box. I have got a new trick that destroys this error and never come again. So let us go to the video.
Okay guys, I have set my Airtel Xstream box. Now if I open YouTube, it is asking me to recharge. So to enable that, go to your settings and go to something called system settings, and in that Android settings. Now make sure your internet is connected or else this process won't work. Now go to the apps menu. Now go to the Airtel Xstream. Now click on permissions. So there are few permissions. Just toggle on the camera and toggle off the camera. As you can see, this is a black screen in the left hand side of the TV. Now just go back and now open the Google Play Store. Click on open. As you can see, Google Play Store is opened right now. Okay, and install the ATV launcher. I've already installed this, so just go back, and after installing the ATV launcher, click on the ATV launcher and click on open. And as you can see, you can view all the YouTube, Disney Hotstar, YouTube Kids, everything. For now I'm just going to open the YouTube, and you can also view any videos. So this is how you do it.
Okay guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe. Bye bye.